Our Ida Reds are gonna be perfect for our saucy apple cake. Twist, pick. So I'm making a saucy apple cake for about 6 people. I need 3 cups of apples, that's about 4 apples. A simple white cake with tons of our apples, with a yummy caramel sauce, gets drizzled on top with some Miller Dairy vanilla ice cream for tonight. Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.